The surge in trading volume across Offerpad and other iBuyer-related stocks on January 9th, 2026, can be traced back to a sweeping and unexpected policy announcement from the White House that directly targets housing affordability and mortgage market liquidity. The news acted as a broad based catalyst for the sector, igniting both institutional repositioning and aggressive retail speculation. Major market drivers: Trump's mortgage stimulus plan, or People's QE. On Thursday, January 8th, President Trump announced that he had directed federal representatives to acquire up to $200 billion in mortgage backed securities, a move the market quickly labeled People's QE. The goal of the initiative is to compress mortgage spreads and push borrowing costs materially lower, making home purchases more accessible for consumers. For iBuyers like Offerpad and Opendoor, lower mortgage rates are a direct tailwind. Reduced financing costs tend to stimulate housing demand, increase transaction velocity, and improve unit economics for instant buy platforms that rely on rapid turnover. Traders immediately priced in the possibility of a rebound in home buying activity, driving a sharp spike in volume across the space. Potential ban on institutional home buyers. Adding fuel to the rally, President Trump also signaled his intent to restrict or ban large institutional investors from purchasing single family homes. This proposal was framed as an effort to prioritize individual buyers and reduce competition from deep pocketed funds that have dominated parts of the housing market in recent years. Market participants interpreted this as a structural positive for iBuyer platforms. If institutional players are sidelined, companies like Offerpad and Opendoor could gain a larger share of retail facing transactions, strengthening their strategic relevance as intermediaries between homeowners and individual buyers. Retail momentum and the meme stock spillover effect. The policy driven rally was quickly magnified by retail trading dynamics. Opendoor, OP, surged more than 20% following the announcement and rapidly became one of the most discussed tickers on social trading platforms. As attention concentrated on high short interest names within the housing sector, traders began rotating into Offerpad as a secondary and lower float alternative. This rotation created a classic domino effect, with speculative capital chasing volatility rather than fundamentals. Offerpad's relatively small public float made it especially sensitive to sudden inflows, resulting in outsized volume and sharp intraday moves. For many traders, OPAD became a leveraged expression of the broader housing policy narrative.
So the stock is up 45.39%. This is the post-market session of Friday, the 9th of January 2026. 160 million shares cross the tape. It is one of the most active for today's trading session. Okay. On the line trend, let's see what we have. Is I think just neutral, and the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that it may go into a consolidation from now up till the middle of February. But before then, it's higher prices up till Tuesday, the 20th of January. Okay, that's a long time to come. No guarantee that that will be the case at all. Projections are currently saying 1.74. It is a downward projection. It's currently at 2.19. Previous projections go as high as 2.57. There's this intraday high here of 52-week high of 6.21. Projections here even say up to 7.51. Let's see what we have here. Okay, 7.51. Okay. Momentum is expected to remain elevated at least up till the 15th, Thursday the 15th. From then, they might begin to flag, and there's a chance that the price may drop below its 10-day moving average. That moving average is rising at a pace of $6.319 every day. It doesn't mean that that is actually that's the pace. It is. I mean, going by the trend it has shown of late, it is that's what it's implying that yeah, it could do that. That's yeah, it's implying that it has the potential to gain up to $6.319 every day. So if it continues with this sort of pace, there's a chance that, assuming it's the same sort of pace we have seen of late, if it carries over into the next trading session, there is a chance that it might yeah gain up to uh $6.3 in a day. Yeah, but of course it's just statistical, it's just notional, based on how things have transpired. Obviously in the real world, the way things will transpire will be different. It could there might be attempts to derail the strength it is showing, and all those sort of things. Then if those things play out, then all of this will not it won't print a $6.31 move the next trading session. Yeah, so let's see what we have on its 4-hour chart. Okay, 4-hour chart is more of a consolidation as well, up till the 21st of January. 40-day moving average is 40 period, sorry, projections are saying 1.59. Momentum is already waning, and there is a chance that the 10 period moving average may catch up with the stock by Monday, the pre-market session of Monday, going by the fact that yeah, it's expected that it's the contraction that has played, that is in effect now, might remain in place. Okay, so let's just see what the market grid is going to give us in terms of prices. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, between 2.64 and 1.68, it's printed 2.21. Didn't print any. Okay, okay, 2.75 intraday high today or yesterday. Intraday high, yeah, it was yesterday. So yeah, intraday high is 2.75. So we need to even see even more ambitious market grid prices, market grid range. Let's see, any chance we're going to see that on a 1-hour chart? I doubt it. No. So it has that opportunity has gone away. It's now the stock has been contracting. The expansion it has had 2.68. Have we did it? Okay, no. Yeah, that opportunity has gone away. Let's see. Let's have a look at its 3-hour chart. You never know what we're going to see here on the 3-hour chart. 2.65. No. Okay, I think we haven't even looked at the. Have we looked at the 4-hour chart? Yes. No. Yeah, I think we have 2.64. Yeah, nothing like that. Nothing fantastic. So, but in any case, yeah, that's what the market grid. That's it's reactionary. It if the expansion has stopped, it will begin to contract, because yeah, it will begin if the price is contracting, then the market grid will contract. If the expansion is still going on, it will continue to expand. So for now, contraction is going on, so that's why the market grid is reacting to that and contracting, and bringing the range tighter and closer. Yeah, yeah. I don't think we're going to see anything on its daily chart. The stock will be trading outside of its daily chart, surely. Yeah, it's trading outside of it, of the daily chart. But we've seen intraday highs of so I've seen projections of around 7.5. So there's ample room to the upside for the stock. Yeah, ample room to the upside. Weekly chart, let's see. Okay, no extrapolation for the stock. It doesn't have enough data. Hasn't been around. Doesn't have enough data for any extrapolations. What do we have in terms of projections? Let's see. Projections are saying 4.83, 2.13 as well. Yeah. Okay, so see what you make of OPAD, and thank you very much for watching this video.